Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications on the Goat application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the profile button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Tap on settings that you can find at the top in the left side, on the left side. Scroll down to the notifications section, tap on it, and here you can find a bunch of features that you can enable, such as sneaker size available, meaning that if you turn this on, it means that when a sneaker size is available, you are going to get a notification about it. You can also set your sneaker sold, notification, sneaker shipped for verification, sneaker shipped to you, someone liked your photo, updates on your seller status, and so on. So after enabling and disabling these options, tap on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen to save all these notifications. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.